The whole idea of this particular discussion is to, to put ideas in the minds of everybody. And then it's not that Dakshinayan becomes the owner to fight communalism. Because everybody says, oh, you spoke about it, so now communalism is growing in the country. What Dakshinayan is doing? Is Dakshinayan sleeping? We are all educators. In different capacities we work as advocates, as journalists, as media people, as artists, as painters, as theatre people, as filmmakers, as writers, as literary personalities. So all of us as educators, we are opinion makers, and all these points, it's not just for, and you are Dakshinayan Abhiyan. Dakshinayan Abhiyan doesn't mean a committee which is formed to fight communalism. So each one of us here is Dakshinayan. Resolution number 1, Sanatan Samstha, which has its headquarters in Goa, is spreading communal hatred and its followers are allegedly connected with the assassination of Dr. Narendra Dabholkar, Comrade Govind Pansare and Professor M.M. Kalburgi. We resolve to demand that the culprits involved in murders of Dr. Dabholkar, Comrade Pansare and Professor Kalburgi be speedily arrested and put on trial, and that a special court be designated for the purpose of trial of the assassins. Resolution number 2. We resolve to reaffirm that the expression of art, culture, literature, cinema and media should not be suppressed by legal or extra-legal restrictions. We consider the recent government order to take off-air NDTV India, now kept on hold, threats to film producers for their choice of actors, brokering huge payments to organizations under threat are against the spirit of democracy and not consistent with the fundamental right of speech and expression. Resolution number 3. We commend and applaud the social traditions of Goa that have nurtured communal harmony and cultural diversity, and we appeal to all forums and institutions to curb and prevent the rise of tendencies that may cause disruption in the composite social fabric and cultural harmony that Goa has nurtured all along. We believe that the people of Goa can show a path to the rest of the country which witnesses frequent tensions between different religions.
Let me clap.
We resolve to reaffirm our commitment to the secular character of this country and to appeal to the citizens of Republic India to uphold and protect the spirit and letter of our Constitution. Resolution number 5. We resolve to condemn the atrocities perpetrated on Dalits at Unna and many other places in recent times and express our concern and anxiety about instances of discrimination based on caste, religion and sex in Goa and in all other states in India, in discrimination in temples, cemeteries, schools and public places, despite equality of status and equality of opportunity enshrined in the Constitution. We demand that the state should not tolerate any such discrimination, and those involved in discrimination based on caste, religion and sex be brought to book. We demand that dedicated helplines be set up for immediate help in such instances. The next resolution, Dakshinayan Rashtriya Parishad believes that the Kashmir imbroglio cannot be solved by treating it as a problem created entirely by Pakistan, but by reaching out to the Kashmiri people and winning their hearts. Dakshinayan Rashtriya Parishad appeals to the political leadership to take immediate steps in creating a congenial atmosphere for an amicable solution of the issue by showing greater political maturity. The next resolution, we welcome the initiative of Dakshinayan Abhiyan Goa by forming a cell on eye, organ and body donation and appeal to all state governments to enact necessary act and frame rules and regulations to ensure proper logistics and infrastructural support to facilitate volunteers to donate their eyes, organs and body.